going to go to the Cloud Shell in our Azure portal. Now you can also do this in your local terminal, and if you are using a local terminal, please make sure you use the AZ login command to log into your subscription. We will first create our resource group for our registry, and we are going to replace our location. So I'm going to select West Europe, and as you can see, you've got the AZ group create, and then you've got the name, which is AZ204-ACR-RG. So let's create that. We need to next create a basic container registry, and the registry name must be unique with Azure, and it can contain between 5 to 50 alphanumeric characters. So we're going to paste that, and we're going to replace the name of our registry. So I'm going to name it CR example 00023. Okay. Actually, I'm going to change it to 009. And as you can see, we've got the AZ create, AZ ACR create as a command. We've got our resource group that we just specified, that we created in the previous step, and then our name, and the SKU that we specified for this demo is basic. Let's go ahead and run that. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so we'll come back when it's completed. And there we are, this has completed now, and we have created our registry. Next we need to build and push from a Docker file. So we need to create this using the echo command. So we're going to paste that into our command line. And as you can see, you've got echo from mcr.microsoft.com, and we're going to create a Docker file for that particular repo. Let's go ahead and enter that. Next, we need to go ahead and do the AZ ACR build command, and this will essentially build the image, and after the image is built, it should be pushed into the registry that we created. So we're going to use the command, so let's paste it, and we need to specify our registry. So put it there, and you can see you've got AZ ACR build. We've got our image that we called in the previous command. You can see the version 1, and then we can see our registry that we created earlier on, and then we specify the Docker file. We will enter that. Okay, I don't know why I've got those two characters at the beginning. Let's just remove them and let that go ahead and build. Command should now generate a lot of output, and you can see the repository, and you can see the field that says sample/hello world. This image is listed. Okay. And you can see the tag version. And now what we're going to do is we're going to view it. So we're going to verify the results, and we're going to use the AZ Acr Repository List command, and this will give us a list of all the repositories that we have in our registry. And we're also going to specify the output. So the output, as you can see, it will be in a table format. So let's go ahead and change the name of our, let's go and specify the name of our registry. So CR example 0009. As you can see, we've got sample/hello world, so we've only got one available, which is correct. And now what we need to do is we want to go and check the tags. So we're going to use the AZ ACR repository show-tags command, and this will let us know all of the tags that exist within our Hello World repository. And there we have our results. So as you can see, we've got the version 1 that's available. The last task that we have to complete is we need to run the build. So we need to run the image in the ACR. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the Acr Run command. So let's have a look. And as you can see, we need to specify our registry. Let's go ahead and change that. The command parameter in this example, as you can see towards the end, and the last command, it will essentially run the container in its default configuration. And CMD also supports an additional Docker run parameters, even in other Docker commands as well. And there you go, you should see the output. So the output, we're going to maximize the actual output and just have a look at what was received. And there you go, that's the example output that you do have in place. So we have completed our demo.